Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide specific product category with their product on shop page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then insert plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see array and then you see product slug, category slug ceramics. Now go to product category and then you see slug, so you can add product category slug according to your requirement. So we added ceramics. Now back to code and then in code you see array. If you want to add more, write here comma and then copy this and then paste and then you can add your product category slug. So we are going to write specific product category with their product on shop page. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. So this is our product category ceramic. Now refresh the page. Now you see specific product category remove with their product in shop page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.